Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special, the 2025 BMW M8. This is the ultimate blend of luxury and performance, a grand tour that delivers an electrifying experience without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're looking for a high-performance coupe or a convertible that turns heads, the new M8 is here to impress. In this review, we'll break down every detail, from its aggressive design to its powerhouse engine, its tech-packed interior, and of course its pricing. So, let's dive into the world of BMW's latest M masterpiece. The front of the 2025 BMW M8 immediately grabs attention with its bold, aggressive stance. The massive kidney grills have been slightly redesigned, featuring a more sculpted look that enhances aerodynamics while maintaining BMW's signature presence. Flanking the grille are sleek, adaptive laser headlights with blue accents, offering unmatched illumination and a futuristic aesthetic. The lower bumper is dominated by large air intakes, improving airflow for cooling and performance. The carbon fiber accents on the front splitter not only add to its aggressive appeal, but also reduce lift at high speeds. The sculpted hood features subtle contour lines that hint at the beast lurking underneath, ready to unleash its power at any moment. Moving to the side, the 2025 M8 maintains its muscular yet elegant proportions. The long, sloping roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette that screams performance. The sculpted side skirts with carbon fiber trim emphasize its aerodynamic design, ensuring stability at high speeds. The flared wheel arches house stunning 20-inch forged M alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires, providing the perfect balance of grip and style. Behind the wheels, massive M carbon ceramic brakes with gold calipers signal that this car is just as capable of stopping as it is of accelerating. The M8 badge sits proudly on the front fender, subtly reminding everyone that this is no ordinary BMW. At the rear, the 2025 BMW M8 continues to impress with a commanding presence. The sleek OLED taillights stretch across the width of the car, providing a modern and aggressive lighting signature. The quad exhaust system, finished in black chrome, produces an intoxicating growl that echoes the power beneath the hood. The carbon fiber rear diffuser not only enhances the car's aesthetics, but also aids in aerodynamic efficiency. A subtle yet functional lip spoiler sits on the trunk, adding a touch of sportiness while improving downforce. The BMW logo, placed centrally, completes the high-performance look, ensuring that this is a car that leaves a lasting impression as it disappears into the horizon. Step inside and the M8 greets you with an interior that seamlessly blends sportiness with opulence. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality merino leather with contrast stitching, offering a premium feel the moment you settle into the M Sport seats. These seats, featuring integrated headrests and illuminated M badging, provide excellent support whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits on the track. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from navigation to real-time performance data. At the center, the 14.9-inch curved touchscreen running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system offers seamless connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intuitive interface that makes controlling various functions effortless. The carbon fiber trim on the dashboard and center console reinforces the M8's performance DNA, while the ambient lighting system allows you to set the mood for every drive. The crystal finish gear selector paired with the red M mode buttons on the steering wheel gives you quick access to customizable driving settings, ensuring a truly personalized experience. The premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system immerses you in concert-level audio, making long drives even more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M8 packs an updated 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now producing a staggering 625 horsepower and 590 lp-Fm torque. This beast sends power to all four wheels through BMW's intelligent xDrive system, ensuring maximum traction and stability in all driving conditions. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, allowing the M8 to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. If you're in the mood for some rear-wheel drive fun, the system allows you to send power exclusively to the rear wheels, turning the M8 into a true drift machine. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering the perfect balance between comfort and aggressive handling. With multiple drive modes including Comfort, Sport, and Track, the M8 adapts to your driving style, whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the racetrack. The improved exhaust system not only enhances performance, but also delivers an exhilarating soundtrack that makes every acceleration feel special. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 BMW M8 remains a premium offering in the high-performance luxury segment. The coupe starts at around $140,000, while the convertible version commands a slightly higher price of approximately $148,000. Adding optional carbon fiber packages, upgraded wheels, or BMW's advanced driver assistance systems can push the price well beyond $160,000. While it's not the most affordable option in its class, the M8 delivers an unparalleled mix of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and sheer performance that justifies its price tag. For those considering the 2025 BMW M8, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're looking for an everyday grand tourer with mind-blowing performance, this is one of the best options on the market. It offers incredible power without compromising on comfort or luxury. However, if you're purely after track-focused performance, there are lighter, more hardcore alternatives like the Porsche 911 Turbo S. But for those who want a perfect blend of speed, style, and prestige, the M8 stands in a class of its own. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 BMW M8. This car is a statement of power, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering, a machine that delivers exhilarating performance while keeping you wrapped in high-end comfort.